Wagwan, my people, big up on yourself. It's a Wednesday morning, my peeps, you don't know. Wednesday is a great day, Wednesday is a midweek, you don't know. We're almost to the weekend, so you know how it go. We know you can't wait to enjoy yourself for the weekend. Me too. But guess what? We are back with MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment, where we give you everything. We tell all on lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana, and of course, around the world. And now we talk about Sorry! It has hit 1 million views. Woyoy! Meghan and Harry released Bombshell interview with Oprah. Hey, the world has been talking about that. My name is Kevoy Burton, and we're going to go right into the stories. Now it seems Yaw Tog Sorry remix is gaining even more fame this time. I like that song. Sorry! It's lit. The remix features UK rapper Stormzy and Ghanaian Kwesi Arthur, and in 3 days, the song hit over 1 million views on YouTube. Woyoy! Much like the first version of the song, it's already gained international recognition. Jack Grealish, an English footballer for Aston Villa and the English national team, has shown his support by promoting Yaw Tog's hit single in his own way. In a video of Jack's football game highlights that he shared on Instagram, the song is the track that is being played in the background. Sorry, I want to see that. Many believe that this publicity will be an added benefit to Yaw Tog's growing career. But you don't know, we have video, so watch it. What do you mean?
Big Mac on the remix. You don't live the life, you just dream it. Don't mind them boys, they don't mean it. If I slap your face, you're gonna feel it. Slide in the middle like Grealish. My next 6 bigger than my previous. Red lights looking all greenish. Fit call me blood, I get squeamish. The boys just way too bossy. Double platinum from Bossy. 5 times double platinum, get them off me, yeah. I'm a real foul you like Joffrey. I am the king, nobody can't stop me. See, when I get the job done, that's I was cooling, I was resting. But this year, next year, I'm on the next thing. Master my flow and my style to perfection. Tell the truth and it sounds like I'm flexing. Big Mac, my fam call me Junior. My bad, I should have pulled up sooner. Look in my eyes, see Kwame and Nkrumah. That's a real presidential black man. Real revolution starter. And
Sorry! Somebody please translate that song for me one day. I don't know what he's saying, but it's lit. It's lit. Jack Grealish, big up yourself. Now, Cardi B has done it again, proving to people around the world that she indeed has talent and is a hard worker. Big up yourself. On her social, the rapper shared a series of posts that showcased her first big hit, Bodak Yellow, you know that one? Say, little, you can me if you wanted to. This is red bottoms. And Bodak Yellow has just been certified platinum by the RIAA. Woyoy. Not only that, but Bodak Yellow is officially the first female rap song to go diamond, and WAP, released in 2021, is the fastest female rap song to reach 5 times platinum. Wow. Can you imagine? The mother of one jumped on social media to give thanks and share a quick throwback of Bodak Yellow. And you know, we have it. Let's play it.
Don't fuck with you, I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club, just to party, I'm there, I get paid a fee. I be in and out them bands so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck about who ain't fond of me. Drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months, what bitch working as hard as me? I don't bother with these hoes, don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say goals, bitch I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chill in some babe, I might just chill with your boo, I might just spill on your babe. My pussy feel like a lake, he wanna swim with his face. I'm
I like
like,
that song
okay,
a lot.
I let
I
him
like
get
that
what
song
he
a lot.
want.
Big up yourself, Cardi B. Yo, you mean big up yourself. Now, in less than 2 weeks, Marvel Studios is preparing to drop another TV series, The Falcon and the Winter Soldier. It is not the first time Marvel characters are moving to the small screen, but as usual, Marvel is very tight-lipped about the whole project. Mystery, I tell you, mystery. With so many of the big names moving into series, fans are left to wonder what Phase 4 will contain. They've unveiled 4 character posters teasing the potential storyline that could come with the series. Anyway, guys, the explosive interview, and this is my favorite story, the explosive interview where the Duke and Duchess of Sussex share all the nitty-gritty about royal life is finally out and causing ripples between England and America. Oh, yo, I knew it would. I knew it would. Now, Meghan and Harry sat down and had a 2-hour tell-all interview with well-renowned TV host and billionaire Oprah Winfrey. The interview was kept under wraps for a long time and highly anticipated to finally pull back the curtain on all the things the couple felt up until their split from the royal family. Because a lot of people wondered why they split, eh? Now, both Meghan and Harry described conversations in which they were asked to consider what a child from them would look like. Can you imagine? Taking note that Meghan is biracial. So Meghan also dove deep into how she was feeling during her pregnancy, with Archie expressing that behind all the outings and lavish outfits, there was deep sorrow and unshakable desire to end everything. Neat. Harry made a lot of references to his late mother, Princess Diana, and how she was treated and how he didn't want history to repeat itself. That's a lot, you know, that's saying a lot in one sentence. The royal family did in fact respond to the interview. The palace released a statement in which they said the conversations and issues surrounding race were very troubling, but would be addressed with the family privately. They emphasized that Archie and his parents remain well-loved family members. Now, the Sussexes have stated that this interview is the last they will do on the topic to allow them to move on. A black person sneak into the Buckingham Palace and all hell breaks loose, people. You see that? Come to Africa. All right. Anyway, guys, big up Drew. Drew, Mrs. A, you do your COVID vaccine. You don't know the thing going on. Drew, you're braver than me. Anyways, big up yourself. That's all I will say about that. Big up yourself, Drew. That's all we have for you today, guys, but don't worry, we'll come back tomorrow. This is MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment. My name is Kevboy Burton. Little more, big up yourself.